Welcome to Jazz Time. JazzTime.com is an online store that buys, sells, trades authentic luxury watches. We make these videos that store customers can easily choose the best watch for themselves in the comfort of their own home. If you like this watch or would like to purchase it at the lowest price anywhere online, click on the link in the description below to buy it at JazzTime.com. Today I'll be reviewing the Vacheron Constantin Patrimony manual find reference 81180-000R-B518 40mm rose gold or pink gold with a blue dial. I'll tell you a little about the case, bezel, dial, bracelet, movement, finally try it on and give you my thoughts. So let's start. This falls into the patrimony category of watches from Vacheron. Vacheron has many categories or collections, as you might say. As you can imagine, they have the most famous, which is the overseas, the patrimony, which is their dress line, and they also have a traditionale, a historic, which is pretty cool, a 56, which is pretty modern, and a few others. But the one we're going to look at today is called the Patrimony, and it's a manual wind. It's the most basic of their Patrimony. Now, the Patrimony comes in many different configurations. They have, I shouldn't say configurations based on the complication. They have a retrograde, they have a moon phase, and, I think they have something like almost 30 different watches. And so there's a lot of variations to them. They have a calendar, ultra-thin calendar, etc., etc. But what we're looking at today, right now, is the men's version, the most basic one, and it's just a simple rose gold with this blue dial, and it's still quite a beautiful watch. And so let's talk about it a little bit. Starting with, let's start off with let's start off with the case. Okay, the case is 40 millimeters. Now they actually make this a very similar one. This one has just time only. There's no date, just time. So, and they actually, one of the interesting things is that it has just two hands. No, normally watches with time only have three hands, but they try to make this very clean look, and they put only two hands, just hour and minute. That's it. No need for the seconds. And if you compare this to another similar one, they have one with a date. So it depends. The date is important, but some people like the cleaner look of this one. It's just really just two hands, a super clean look. A dress watch, definitely. Now the size of it is 40 millimeters, a very nice size. And the thickness is incredible. It's only 6 millimeters thick. That makes it even thinner than the Patek Calatrava's. And that's incredibly thin, super thin, actually, one of the thinnest. And yeah, that makes it look very streamlined against your wrist. It's perfect for wearing a suit. And yeah, looks very nice. 40 millimeter diameter and a thickness of only 6 millimeters. Okay, and that's the case. And it's all made of rose gold. They call it pink gold, but it's basically the same thing. All right. Let's move on here to the dial. As I said, the dial, they make this configuration with other dial configurations. Actually, they make it with a white dial. They make it in white gold, and they even make it with a date. But the one that you're looking at here is just a simple blue dial. Blue is a very good color against rose. It's one of the best colors against rose, actually. It pops really against it. So, yeah. And all these hour markers are all fashioned in gold as well. So it has a very uniform, very classic look, but still absolutely beautiful. All right, that's the dial in blue. Let's move on here. The bracelet. Now, the bracelet is just a blue crocodile bracelet, but not just any blue crocodile. It has the spring bars are a little bit curved, and it therefore makes the strap a little bit curved, so it's not completely flat, which also makes the watch look much more streamlined. And it has this beautiful buckle here, so that only Vacheron, I think, does very well. Actually, a lot of people do them well, but they also do it very well. Okay. And the buckle, of course, is made also in rose gold or pink gold. All right, let's move on here to the movement. The movement is a manual wind. Manual wind means you have to wind it every day, or not every day, but every few days, depending, yeah, you pretty much have to wind it, as opposed to an automatic watch, which you don't have to wind it. But it does have a solid case back. You cannot see the back of it, the inner workings. That might have been nice, but it's okay. It's a manual wind movement. You simply wind it, and there you have it. So very simple watch, but it's still a very beautiful watch. And the retail price of it is, at the moment, at $22,000, and we're offering quite a bit less than that at JazzTime.com. So if you want to buy this watch the lowest price anywhere online, go to JazzTime.com. It's a nice watch from a very top brand and a very simple watch. It's an entry level into the Vacheron, and I'm gonna give it 1 thumbs up.
If you want to find out more about the watch you just saw in the video, you can just click below on Show More to see the full description. Then you can check the link next to model as seen in video, click on it, and you will get to the proper page where you can see all the details. If you're watching on a mobile phone, you have to click on the arrow down on the right hand side below the video to see the full description. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. If you would like to share this video with your friends, you can use the share button below and share it on any platform you like. If you have questions, constructive feedback, want to tell us about some mistakes or misspeaks, just write a comment below. If you want to see more videos like this, you should subscribe to our channel and visit our channel page where you can find all the videos. And if you're interested in a specific watch brand, you can check out our playlists. If you want to check the price for a watch or want to buy one, remember at jazztime.com you always get a steep discount, so you should check the prices with us. If you want to know the price for a specific watch, just go to Google, type in JazzTime, plus the brand, model and the details you're interested in, and Google will find the right page for you. Thank you for watching.